Hey there everybody, welcome to automagicadventures. Today we're going to do my first unboxing of something that I just bought. I don't know if you guys are this way, but I am. Whenever, like whether it be people or fishing equipment or any of that type of stuff, if I don't trust it, it's really hard to want to spend much time with it. And I've had some troubles with my last reel. Maybe it should work just fine, but I don't trust it anymore. So because of that, I'm looking for a different reel. That's why I bought this. So I'm unboxing, first time ever been unboxed. It's a SHIMANO. You guys, I don't know if I'm saying this right, NASCI 3000. So it's a 3000HG made by SHIMANO. We're gonna cut this thing open, see what we got here. Okay, so when you take it out of the box, it comes with all the part pieces, schematics of the reel, so if you ever need to replace anything or fix anything, it's right there. And then you got the reel. Pretty much it as far as the box goes. Things that I liked about it when I was picking it out was the smooth reeling it has. It also has it's a really lightweight reel, and it has a really strong drag. So as I looked up the specs on it, the drag gives you a 20-pound drag, which is plenty of drag for either steelhead or for salmon. So I'll probably be fishing both with this reel. It's 8.5 ounces, so it's not very heavy. And I believe the line capacity, you can put about 120 pounds of like 30-pound braided on here. I think it's closer, if you go to 40-pound braided, I think it's about 100 yards of that. But it's 120 yards of braided if you're putting like 30-pound test. What else? It's pretty quick. It's a little speedster. It gives you about 36 inches of retrieve per wind, per like revolution on that reel. So as far as like trying to reel up your slack so you can set the hook, it only takes one reel, maybe two reels to get that belly out of your line. I think it's going to be a great reel. I'm looking forward to spending some time on the river with it. So stick with me. In one of my next fishing videos, I'll probably be out there fishing with this. Also, one more thing I should tell you guys about. Since I hit the 500 subscribers, now you should be able to see something a little bit different right below the videos, where you can hit the like button, the little thumbs up. Hopefully you don't hit too many thumbs down, but over to the right, there's a little heart thing. I'm not asking for money, and I don't expect anybody to do it, but if you do feel so inclined, literally just go into the store. I had to buy a bunch of hooks and weights and leaders and line. All that stuff costs money, so if somebody wants to throw me a couple bucks here and there, I'd love it. It would definitely be an awesome thing to be able to keep me supported out there going fishing as much as I am. If you're a fisherman, you know that you run through a lot of lines and a lot of sinkers and a lot of hooks. It's just the nature of the game. So anyway, thanks again for watching my videos, watching this unboxing, and stick with me because I'm going to be out there trying to stick some fish with this reel. Thanks for watching.